I'm Glenn Powell, I'm General Manager of CoGri Australia. We are part of the CoGri Group. We specialise in the design, testing and construction of concrete industrial floors. The types of projects we're involved in are typically large industrial warehouses. We offer surveys, 3D scanning, bespoke repairs, coating systems. We also offer advice on data centres construction for specialised warehouses that implement robotics and other automation. CoGri are specialists in our field. Our expertise stretches far and wide in every aspect of concrete floors, not just construction, but testing and repairs. We bring a wealth of global experience. One of the biggest projects we're involved in was Amazon's multi-storey warehouse at Eastern Creek. Currently the largest warehouse in the Southern Hemisphere at 200,000 square metres. We were involved in the design device, on-site QA, testing for the robotics and full remediation. CoGri has made a positive impact how floors are designed and constructed and repaired in Australia. We've built a robust business with customers we value. If you operate a warehouse or a data centre or you're considering building or buying one, whether that is dilapidation inspections, loading requirements to design, testing and construction advice, we're here to help.